Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required because your device will be able to check for the updates thanks to it, and then we can enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. And let's tap on check for updates. And as you can see, this is the first scenario you can meet. So here we've got the information that the device is up to date and there's nothing to download. So congrats if you can see something like that. And the second scenario is where you can actually update the system. Your device will show you the information about the new version, of course the name of it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to just tap on download or install, and your device will apply it to your system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.